How to find stocks for day trading. Nowadays, markets are providing plenty of opportunities to make money. Since markets are volatile, it doesn't mean you can just start day trading without a purpose or a plan. And if you want to make a lot of money as a day trader, well, then you have to buy and sell multiple times in just one single day. This is possible only if you know how to find stocks for day trading. This may sound like a complex thing to learn, but I'm gonna make it easy for you. And if you watch this video until the end, you will be able to find stocks and trade like a pro. But first, let me tell you what day trading is. Day trading is buying and selling the same security during a single trading span. Traders don't just buy stocks, they buy options, future contracts, and currencies that can be traded too. Stocks have lots of intraday price movement and volume, providing numerous short-term trading options daily. While these types of stocks can be attractive to swing traders and investors, day traders are exclusively focused on intraday price action. Here's how you can find day trading stocks that could provide the potential for profits and what characteristics you should look for before trading in a stock. There's something for everyone because the number of stocks in the world. Some day traders prefer range-bound stocks, while others favor trending ones. Some prefer price swings and a lot of volatility, while others don't. To be a successful day trader, one has to find the right stocks, identify a trend or pattern, and plan entry and exit points. Expert day traders often use leverage to acquire their profit goals, but you can still make a living trading stock without borrowing money. Once you've specified a plan for day trading, you still need to know what signs to look for. And yes, there are some criteria and characteristics you should check before selecting a trade. Now, what characteristics of stocks should you seek as a day trader? This depends on a trader's preference. They may look for all the characteristics below or concentrate only on some. But some key characteristics that every pro day trader looks for include volatility, technical levels, volume, earnings, and market sentiment. Number 1. Volatility. Large price movements may attract short-term traders who want to capitalize on big price swings. If a stock is volatile, it will usually continue to be volatile as people continue to trade it. Day traders may choose to trade stocks that tend to move a lot more most days or focus on stocks that move a lot on a single day. While volatility is sometimes regarded negatively for a day trader, it is normally a positive thing since it can help potentially profit from going short or long multiple times every day as the short-term trends change. If a stock has very little price movement, there is a smaller profit potential since there is likely to be only a small difference between the entry and exit points. Entries and exits have the potential to be wider apart from a volatile stock, thereby offering more profit potential. Number 2. Liquidity and volume. Volume and liquidity usually let day traders easily get in and out of short-term positions. The higher volume also equates to a tighter spread, which can aid day traders. Hence, traders can focus on stocks that trade at least 1 million shares per day and often multiple millions. Volume spikes can be utilized to discover stocks that are seeing a lot of interest. So day traders monitor the stocks since the increased volume may provide opportunities to get in and out quickly. Higher than normal volume and volatility tend to go together. Number 3. Technical analysis setups. Technical analysis setups give day traders insights into what and when to buy and sell. For instance, as stock prices approach a support level that can present a buying opportunity if it bounces off of it, or a short trade if it keeps falling through support. Resistance may deliver a shorting chance or a buying opportunity if the price rallies through resistance, based on if the trader thinks it will continue the stock breakout or if it's a false breakout. Day traders can look for chart patterns such as rectangles, head and shoulder patterns, tread channels, triangles, or wedges, to name some. These patterns, other technical price actions, or indicator setups may provide opportunities in the stocks that present them. Number 4. Reporting earnings. Stocks lean towards being highly volatile after an earnings release. The highest volume days for many stocks are the 4 days a company reports revenues per year. Day traders aim to trade the aftermath of this information. Analyst estimates may provide clues as to the stock's price direction and whether the earnings are better or worse. However, that shouldn't be relied on solely, as sometimes traders buy the rumor and sell the news. Taking a trade before the announcement can be risky because the price may gap on the news. Now, it is likely for the price to even gap through a stop loss, resulting in a bigger loss than expected. Because of this, day traders lean towards entering at least a few minutes after the earnings have been declared. That is when the spread begins to shrink again, but lots of volatility and opportunities are still likely to occur over the following hours. Number 5. Trading interest, social media buzz. Very active day trading stocks frequently have a lot of social media buzz about them. Meme stocks such as GameStop and AMC Entertainment are some examples of this. There are even websites that track how often stock names are mentioned on social media or by the Reddit subgroup called Wall Street Bets. Google Trends also provides data on web searches, which helps highlight stocks that are receiving the most interest and may be worthwhile taken into regard for day trading. Remember that high interest can be a contrary indicator. For example, a peak in Google Trend web searches for a particular stock will often overlap with at least a short-term top in the stock price. Number 6. Low float. You can obtain volatility without the volume. The float refers to how many shares are open to trade. A stock with a low float means a few shares are available and liquidity is low. Low float stocks are inclined to large moves since it takes few buyers to control the trend. A float of 15 million shares or lower could be considered low. Number 7. Pre-market trends. Sometimes all you have to do is ride the wave. If a certain stock is trending up in the pre-market, you can jump in before the market opens to the public. Once the bell rings, the stock you purchase pre-market could see the trend continue upward as retail traders join. As these retail traders push the stock higher, you can take earnings and move on to the next trade. How to find stocks to day trade, and how to use scanners to find day trading stocks. There are well over 5,000 securities traded on US exchanges alone, so there's no way you can keep track of all of them. That's why day traders rely on scanners like the ones suggested by Trade Ideas. You see, with a scanner, you can search the market for stocks hitting your individual criteria. Whether that involves moving averages, technical signals, or a recent earnings report. One of the best methods to start day trading is with the pre-market gap scanner, which looks for stocks with predetermined volume that are gaping up in the morning trading. These stocks are usually the best ones to hit for premature momentum trade. With stock screeners, you can add criteria like daily average volume greater than 1 million shares. Share price criteria such as above $10, indicators such as the average true range or ATR, or average true range percent or ATRP can be useful for finding stocks that move a particular amount each day in terms of dollars or percentages. Filter further by adding precise stock exchanges. Some stock screeners and trading platforms have chart pattern recognition, which can be used to find technical patterns on stock charts that may provide day trading opportunities. So how can you start day trading on stocks? First of all, practice trading by using a risk-free demo account on different sites. Decide how you will discover and scan for day trading stocks. Decide on a strategy to use and practice execution. Swap to a live account to make money. What are the stock trading hours? UK stock exchanges are open from 8 a.m. to 16:30 GMT, while US stock exchanges are open between 14:30 to 2100 GMT. Stock trading can also occur outside these hours in pre-market, post-market, or after-hours trading. Day trading can be an exciting way to make a living, especially during periods of intense volatility. But day trading is still a job, like any job. You need skill and discipline to succeed. Now, have a good trading plan, access to tools like scanners and advanced charts, and the behavior to not let your emotions get the best of you. If you have the right tools, strategies, and mindset, day trading could be a lucrative way to work from home permanently. This was all for today. Do you have any questions? You can ask me in the comments section. See you in another video.